Hello friends, today we'll discuss about the classification of plant kingdom. Uh, we can call it Plantae, the classification of kingdom Plantae. So this Plantae is divided into two subkingdom. The next level is the subkingdom level. So it has two subkingdom. One is cryptogamy, that means these are classified as non-flowering plant. The plants which are not does not bear any flower, they are classified as cryptogamy. The second classification we can take as phanerogamy. PHA phanerogamy. Under this we can see plants of flower bearing plants. These are flower bearing plants. So we have divided the kingdom of Plantae into two subkingdom, cryptogamy and phanerogamy. So one is non-flower bearing and one is flowering plants. Now we can divide this. Now we divided this into divisions. So here comes the division part. We can divide this into further divisions. In divisions we can say first division is Thallophyta divisions. Thallophyta. The second division is Bryophyta. The third is Pteridophyta. So we have now divided this into three divisions: the non-flowering plants, Thallophyta, Bryophyta and Pteridophyta. Under this classification of Thallophyta, we can say Thallophyta covers all the algae, Bryophyta all the liverworts, or you can say mosses are the examples, liverworts or mosses. These come under this Bryophyta category division. And third one is ferns. This algae is totally aquatic type, and the plants coming under Bryophyta, they are you can say they are amphibian type, amphibian plants. They are the first colonizer of the land, so they both live in plant and water. They need water to fertilize, to undergo fertilization. So they are like amphibian in the plant kingdom. And third one is fern mostly found in shady, humid conditions and cool area. So these are three type of divisions we see in this non-flowering plants. So under this Thallophyta we can further divide this into, you can say, rhodophyceae. These are the classes. Now we come under classes. The first class is Rhodophyceae. You can say red alga come under this. Then the second class is Phacophyceae. Phacophyceae. Second. The third comes the second under second comes the brown algae comes. The third is Chlorophyceae. So these are the classes under this Thallophyta division. So different type of algae are categorized under different classes. The same way the Bryophyta division can be divided into three. This can also be divided into three parts. If it's three parts, first part is first class is Heptaceae. The second class is Anthroceraceae. 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 Heptaceae. And third is Musci. So we have divided the Bryophyta into three classes: Heptaceae, Anthroceraceae, and Musci. The same way, Pteridophyta can be divided into four subclass, four classes we can divide. First is Psilopsida. Second is Lycopsida. Third is Spinospida, Spino Sida, and the fourth is um, Pteropsida. So all this Thelophyta has three classes, Bryophyta three classes, and Pteridophyta has four classes. The same way we can divide this flower bearing plant into two divisions. Two divisions we can divide. So the two major divisions are gymnosperm and angiosperm. The division in the flowering plants is mainly based on the type of the covering of the seed. Like in gymnosperm, the seed is a seed bearing plant where the ovules are not enclosed in an ovary. That means the seeds are naked, not enclosed in any fruit. So these are naked seeds. Gymno means naked and plus seed. In the same way, if we consider this angiosperm, angio is covered. That means seed here it is covered. Seed is covered in the fruit. So this is a broad division in angiosperm where the ovule is enclosed in a ovary. Hence the seed is enclosed in the fruit. So it's naked and it is covered. And this is further divided into if you take example of gymnosperm, so you have cycas as an example of gymnosperm. The same way, if you take example of angiosperm, then you have eucalyptus plant, you have wolffia, this is the smallest plant, and there are a lot of examples in angiosperm. So most of the habitat is covered under this section. Eucalyptus is one of the example. The same way, like the way we have divided the non-flowering plants, this division also has certain classes. So these class we can describe like in gymnosperm, there are three classes. That is Saccharophyllida. First is Saccharophyllida. Saccharophyllida. The second is Coniferospida. Conifer. And third is Genitopsida. So we have three different classes in this section of angiosperm. The same way we have two classes in angiosperm part. So three classes in gymnosperm and two classes in angiosperm. So one is the first part is covered by first is dicotyledon, seeds having two cots. Second is monocotyledon. So dicot and monocot. So all the angiosperms are covered into two classes, dicot and monocot. Now, just revising the complete thing, it's very difficult to remember all the names. So we can say the cryptogamy has three, say, division: thalaphite, bryophite, pteridophyta, and it consists of three classes: R, P, and C. R, P, and C. So rhodophysae, uh, Phacophysae, and Chlorophysae. And the same way, Bryophyta has three classes, that is Heptaceae, Anthroceae, and Musaceae. So HAM, RPC, HAM, and this one has Pteridophyta as a four subclasses. We can say Psilopsida, Lycopsida, Spinocida, and Pteridopsida. So you can just make the abbreviations just to remember all the classes, and the same way in the case of gymnosperm also: Psychopsida, Conifera, and Genetopsida. Dicota, monocota, of course you can remember. So this one of the type of classification we come across of the many classification which the scientists have proposed. So this is one of the kind of classification, and in the next session we will go further into all the details of all the different examples under covered under different classes, and the features, and where the availability of that particular plant is. Thanks a lot.